It's a very compact printer, and as you can see over here, it is slightly taller than our Samsung S21 phone. This is the HP LaserJet MFP M141w printer. It is a black and white laser that has print, copy and scan. It's a very compact printer, and as you can see over here, it is slightly taller than our Samsung S21 phone. It features a 802.11 BGNN 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio, and it has Bluetooth LE, which is used for setup only. At the back of the printer, it has one high-speed USB, and it is compatible with USB 2.0 specifications. The mobile printing capability it supports are HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, Mopia certified, Wi-Fi direct printing. Let's take a look at the tray capacity. The input tray over here supports up to 150 sheets of paper, and the output tray has a capacity of up to 100 sheets. As mentioned earlier, it is able to copy and scan because it has got a flatbed scanner. It scans in color. So this is a black and white laser. So let's take a look at its toner. So this is the toner that comes in box with this laser. Let us take a look at the display itself. It has got a icon-based LCD display with LED, and it has got a total of 8 buttons, as you can see over here. So let us take a look at the print and copy specs for this printer. So this is a printout from the HP LaserJet M141w printer. So check out the HP LaserJet M141w printer. Do take note, in some countries they offer the HP Plus model as well, and you can check out the unboxing of that model, which is the HP LaserJet M140we printer, by clicking on the link above.